Yo, what's going on, Pyros? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today we're going to be demoing off Bermuda Triangle. It's a 15 shot 200 gram cake by Pro Fireworks and Black Diamond. Love the artwork on the packaging. Reminds me of Florida. That's what the tube layout looks like if you guys are curious. Pretty decent sized shots, and it's shaped as a triangle. If you get it, Bermuda Triangle. And if you guys want to pause the video to see the description, there you go. But anyways, let's get into the demo of the Bermuda Triangle. It's 15 shot 200 gram cake by Pro Fireworks. All right, guys, here goes Bermuda Triangle 15 shot by Pro Fireworks. Bermuda Triangle 15 shot Pro Fireworks. Not a bad 200 gram. If you see it at Pro Fireworks, definitely pick it up. As a car drives by down the road. What an idiot.